here we are, another episode of Thursday Tables, and I'm with Melissa Chang, who claims to have this magic sauce.
It's magical, but first, we're gonna...
So what's in it?
There's gonna be some wine. Can you see it? Ooh, wine. Just kidding, there's no wine in it.
Yeah. So give us some background on the sauce.
So Abby Farrer, who is the chef at Star Noodle on Maui, she posted this recipe to her Instagram, and it's super easy, and it's a garlic sauce that you can spread on bread or sandwiches or whatever, that a lot of people do in Middle Eastern countries.
Oh.
And yeah,
Actually, we should have done this when the home isolation started, if it's going to be lots of garlic.
I know. But I mean, this is stuff that you and I had eaten when we went to Dubai.
Right.
Yeah.
That was so good. Like on everything. I
Yes.
wanted to take some home. Until Melissa reminded me, I had forgotten that 4 years ago, when we went to Dubai, we were introduced to the Lebanese garlic sauce called toum. It was a condiment served at every table, and it went really well with grilled meats, with kebabs, with pita. We started calling it magic sauce because it was so good with everything. But now Melissa's going to make some for us.
And you can take it home.
Yeah. So we're going to start now.
Okay.
Take it away. Now so we have a studio audience.
And you said take it away, so I will.
That's mine.
This is my wine.
No
Wine.
fighting. All right.
Okay.
So let's start.
Okay. So, you start with about a cup. Okay.
Oh, it's garlic.
Get out. You start with about a cup of garlic cloves, and you can buy the unpeeled kind, and then you got to trim off the ends. So throw that in.
Don't leave it in your fridge because everything tastes like garlic after that.
What you got here?
1 teaspoon of kosher salt.
Okay.
Are you gonna
I've never
comment
seen
on this?
pink kosher.
Shh.
Oh, that's not kosher.
Oh, it's a lovely color.
This is a super old food processor.
Ironically, it's called Quick and Easy, but apparently it isn't.
It's super old because I used to cook a lot before, and then I stopped, and it shows you how long I've been doing this food
Yeah,
processing
what
thing.
happened to the high tech we associate with you?
No,
Well,
it ain't for cooking.
I only just busted this out because of the pandemic, and
Oh.
otherwise I haven't used it all these years.
Uh-huh.
That's why.
Oh, mine's
so.
so small compared to this thing. This
Shut
is
up.
like industrial
Yeah.
size.
Oh.
Anyway,
Alright, we're
so you
ready.
turn it on. Hope I don't
Uh-huh.
trip this fuse.
Okay.
And then you're supposed to, do it till it's super fine. I don't know what super fine means, but I mean,
But it's really good.
yeah. At some point, it'll be fine enough. So I scrape down the sides a little bit, and
Yeah, I could go for a couple rounds, I think.
I mean, once you start mixing it with the oil and the water and stuff, it'll get more fine. So
Yeah. Finer.
finer.
More fine.
But I figured this is a really easy thing to do. It only takes 4 or 5 ingredients, and
But 10 minutes.
there's a lot of prep because you gotta trim the ends off the garlic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right on, and we still have power.
Yeah, I know I didn't trip
It
the thing.
purrs like a kitty.
Okay, so what I have here is, she recommends 2.5 to 3 cups of neutral oil. So
Okay.
I put in here 3 cups just in case. Last time I made this, I only used 2.5. This is a 1/4 cup of water, and about a 1/4 cup of
Lemon.
lemon juice. It doesn't have to be fresh, she said, but I got a juicy lemon from Don Quixote, and that's all the juice that came out of it.
Wow.
So.
Most of my lemons are juicy.
Really? I haven't always had juicy
Really?
lemons.
They're called limes.
No. Okay.
You
So
have your Hawaii food and wine cup.
yes.
That came in handy.
Okay. So now you have to leave it on.
Uh-huh.
So hopefully it'll
Oh, okay.
stream
So-
1/3 of the lemon juice, and then 1/3 of the oil slowly, and then 1/3 of the water, and then
Oh,
keep
okay.
doing it until it's all incorporated.
Okay.
And the whole thing is that she says you can't incorporate too much of the oil at once, or it's gonna break.
Oh, okay. So what kind of oil did you use?
Oh, just Wesson on sale.
Oh, like a vegetable?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
There we go.
Just out the drizzle. More fine than it was before. Creamy. Creamy clouds of garlic.
Texture of mayo.
Yep, it looks like
It's very
mayonnaise.
aerated.
Looks yummy.
And I want to say if it sits a day, the flavors kind of mellow out.
Yeah, the garlic powder is really sharp right now.
Yeah.
Just fresh.
And how do you enjoy this?
You can just put it on some bread or pita, of course. I use it in a sandwich
Oh.
in place of
But
mayonnaise.
Between sponge
basically-
cake.
Oh, people can use it with any meat too, right?
Yeah,
Like
you
if
can also
have
use it.
steak and
You
stuff.
can use it as a marinade.
So if you use a marinade, how long should you let the meat sit in it?
I don't know.
Oh, hard question.
Oh,
Oh,
you gotta ask Abby. She's the chef.
I think you can just top it when you're serving, like
like
this,
Cool Whip.
like this summer, right?
Yeah, yeah.
When you're grilling steak for Father's Day.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then just put a dollop on top.
Yeah.
Just don't talk to anyone afterwards.
No.
Yeah.
I'm sure you could do different things. You could probably infuse different flavors into it too, right? Like, you know, you could put basil, or you could probably put other,
Yeah.
give it different herbaceousness flavors.
It can be the root of all your cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Garlic and oil. Nothing wrong with that.
Saute your veggies.
Okay.
Stir it into your mashed potato.
Ooh.
People wouldn't even know the difference because it looked like mashed potato.
They'll just stink afterwards.
Exactly. All right. Well,
Okay.
thank you for
Thank
sharing this
you.
recipe. Thank you.
Let's eat.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.